Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Darcy, and if you've been here before, welcome back. And today's video is on the ultimate emergency bag. Whether it's for back to school or starting a new job, this bag has everything that a girl or a woman would need. So let's get right into it. Okay, first starting with the bag itself, I got this bag from Amazon. It actually comes with a bigger bag that I use to go to work, and I will link them below just in case you would like to get them yourself. I think it was like 2 or 3 bags for $30, and this one comes in it, and I thought it would be perfect as an emergency kit, especially because it has this and it kind of just looked like a purse, so you don't have to really feel any kind of way about your bag looking kind of like an emergency period bag. It's black and I think it even looks kind of chic. So let's get right into everything that's in the bag. The very first thing I'm gonna go over is my hand sanitizer. Everyone, not just a girl, I think men, women, everyone needs a hand sanitizer in their bag or whatever they're using. I can never leave the house with a hand sanitizer because I feel like I need it so much, especially living in New York City. I feel like everything I touch, especially if I take the subway, I feel like my hands get dirty. So you definitely need a hand sanitizer. If you didn't get the chance to wash your hands, I recommend using this before you eat. Sometimes I'll get somewhere and I'll still use it because I touched a doorknob or anything, and everything, you'd never know what the first person who touched it had in their hands. So it's really important to have a hand sanitizer so you can keep your hands clean on the go. This hand sanitizer is also a scented hand sanitizer, which I really love because you're not just cleaning and sanitizing your hand, you're also adding some kind of scent to it, some kind of fragrance, and I think that's really good. Next, as women, we need pads and tampons. So if you're a tampon girly, or get a tampon. If you're a pad girly, get a pad. I use both, sometimes simultaneously, so I always have both in my bag. Most of the time I'll use a tampon because I prefer how stress-free and mess-free a tampon can be, but sometimes you just don't feel like going through the extra work of putting in a tampon, so I'll just use a pad. So because of that, I usually have a pad and a tampon with me. Sometimes I'll take them out of my bag because I track my periods, so I know when it's coming, so I'll just put them around that time, like maybe a few days before or even a week before, rather than always having it in my bag. I recommend having a tampon in a bag in your bag regardless of that time of the month, simply because you never know, you might have a friend or even another person who might need it. So it's always nice to see that girl that's like, yeah girl, I got you. So, you know, always walk with a pad and a tampon if you can. Next thing I recommend is having deodorant in your bag. This is the Lumi whole body deodorant. I love this one for multiple reasons because first, it's a whole body one, so you can also use this not only under your armpits, but you can use it anywhere else that you sweat, and like in between your thighs if you sweat there, especially in the summer. Another reason I love it is because it's not one of those deodorant that you apply directly under your armpits, so it's something you can just take a cream and then apply it. So if somebody forgot their deodorant at home or they forgot to apply before coming to school or work, you can always be like, hey girl, I got you. Next, and this is a non-negotiable for me, I always have some kind of pain reliever. I usually have bigger ones, but this is great for an emergency kit because it's so small, it's so compact, but yet it has a good amount. It has 10 tablets in there, and it's also refillable, so you can always buy a bigger one and just refill this as you go. This is something I've done, or sometimes I'll just buy this if I see it while I'm at the counter or something like this. So this is the Advil pain reliever, and as women, I feel like as women, there's always something, you know, you either having a headache, or if it's that time of the month you have cramps, there's just always something here to cause pain. So for any headaches or any pain that comes up, you know, it's good to always have some kind of pain reliever with you. So I don't think I ever leave my house without a pain reliever, non-negotiable. Next, I recommend having some kind of lip balm with you. What I love about this Aquaphor is that it doubles as kind of like a lip balm and also a lotion, so I really love having this one in my bag. Sometimes I'll skip having a regular lip balm and a lotion in my bag and just have the Aquaphor healing ointment instead. I have very sensitive skin, so I'll even use this if I see like a bite or some kind of scratch. I'll use it on the scratch or on the bite just because it is a healing ointment, so it kind of just helps soothe any marks or scratches on your skin. So yeah, I always have Aquaphor to keep my lips moisturized or my hands moisturized, or both. Next, if you don't want to use the Aquaphor because it can be a little sticky for some people, I recommend having a hand cream. I also always have a hand cream with me, and this is why we always walk with this is why us girls always gotta have bags. I just realized that because there's so many things we always gotta walk with. Like, I'll see my male friends just leave the house with their phones and their keys, and that's it, and I'm just like, no, I need like 20 things in my bag. How do you do it? But this is the EOS Shea Butter Hand Cream in Pomegranate Raspberry. This smells amazing, so I love having this with me. But also it's super moisturizing and leaves your skin feeling so soft and silky, so I really recommend this one if you're going to get a hand cream. Next are perfumes. This is the Combo Made Vanilla Bean Perfume Oil, and this is the Seven Virtues Cherry Ambition. I really recommend the Vanilla Bean because everybody loved this scent. I've never come across someone who did not like this scent, and it's only $10 on Amazon. And all you have to do is open it and kind of just like roll it around your wrist and then just dab it, and then you smell amazing. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells amazing. It's a beautiful soft vanilla kind of scent, so I really like having this with me. It's actually almost done, so you can see I use it. Like, you can't tell, but look at the bottom. Actually, you can tell there's nothing there. So I like the Vanilla Bean one for when I'm going for like a soft vanilla scent. The Seven Virtues is more of kind of like almost occasional kind of scent. I don't always wear this one, but if I'm going somewhere, like let's say a night out with my friends or something like that, I really love having this one on me because it smells really strong and it smells so grown and so sexy. I really love Cherry Ambition by the Seven Virtues. Then I recommend having something that can keep your breath smelling fresh. You can either use a gum. I love using these Listerine pocket packs. I get these three for $5 on Amazon, and I love having them. It's so simple to use. You literally just grab this tiny strip, put it on your tongue, and it dissolves within 10 minutes and leaves you with super fresh breath. If you're someone who also enjoys gum, you can always get that. I don't love having to chew gum all the time, especially if I'm like in a meeting or somewhere where it's almost uncouth to be chewing gum. I usually prefer using the Listerine pocket pack simply because it's more inconspicuous. Next thing, you cannot forget hair ties. Hair ties are so important because if you want to put your hair up, if you want to do a different hairstyle, I always gotta have a hair tie with me. And sometimes maybe you just want to like tie your shirt back. They can serve so many different purposes, so I always have hair ties with me. A portable charger. I always have a portable charger with me because I'm always worried my phone is going to die, or I hit whenever my phone gets under, I would say 40%, I'm already anxious. I'm like, oh my god, no, where is my portable charger? So I always have a portable charger with me. I got this one from Amazon too, and I think it was two for $20 or less. So other things I always have are lip liner and lip glosses, because I feel like for me, even if I have nothing else on my face, the minute I put a lip gloss on, I'm like, okay, I look a little better. The minute I put a lip liner on, I'm like, no, I do look better. So this is the NYX Espresso lip balm. This lip gloss, I need to throw it away, but this is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla. I really like this one because it smells good and it leaves your lips super shiny and moisturized. And sometimes if I want more of a color, I'll use the NYX praline gloss. This is also fading, so I've had them for a really long time now, but these are my go-to lip products. I absolutely love using these. I just feel like they make me look so much better, but still gives like a natural look because it's lip gloss. Then, because I really love doing my eyebrows, I rarely go out without doing my eyebrows, but I always have this Express Brow. I love me a brow gel like this, like one of those brow mascara kind of vibes, because it's super easy to do your brows with it because it has the little mascara brush. So all you got to do is brush your brows and all of a sudden you have brows that looks full and healthy. And also the makeup items are definitely optional. If you're not someone that wears makeup, there's no need to get them. I also always have a concealer that matches my skin color exactly, because if I'm going somewhere, sometimes I could be at work and one of my friends are like, let's go eat after, or sometimes they'll be like, let's go shopping after, and sometimes I'm just like, okay, but I just want to look a tiny bit better, because I honestly am the kind of person that goes to work without any makeup on, and I think that's okay. But you know, some people might be like, oh my god, how could you? But so I always have like a concealer in my a concealer, because I'm more of the kind of girl that's like, I think I'm the kind of person that's like, I can show up to work without makeup. I'm there all the time. I might as well just be as comfortable as I can. But if I'm going out to dinner with my friends after work, or if I'm going to grab drinks, all of a sudden I'm like, I kind of want to wear makeup, because first, my friends and I were going to take pictures. We want to look cute. So I'm more likely to wear makeup to an occasion like that rather than to work. So that's why I always have a concealer in my bag, just in case I'm like, I'm going somewhere later, so let me put this on. And naturally, I always have this little makeup sponge. I prefer this over a brush because it's super compact. It fits so well in my makeup bags. It's so easy to wash, and it really helps blending in all of my makeup. Like, I could do my makeup, add bronzer. I could add bronzer, concealer, blush with just this. Lastly, makeup wipes. If you're a makeup girly, this is obviously optional, but if you're a makeup girly, then I would recommend having makeup wipes with you. You never know when you want to take it off, when your mascara is looking messy, or if you just want to remove your makeup completely. So a makeup wipes is something that's useful to have if you want to remove your makeup. And that's kind of all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's useful for you for going back to school or going into your new job. If you're building your emergency kit bag, I think this can be really useful. If you did enjoy this video, please like and comment so you can help other people to find it, and maybe they'll find it useful too. And subscribe to my channel so you can come back here and see what else I'm posting. Click into my name so you guys can see like what else I've been posting. You might enjoy some of them, you know. I have shower routines, self-maintenance videos, and that's it. I hope to see you again. Bye.